Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Health. In this video we talk about 7 easy steps you can make your teeth white naturally, and don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification button. There can be many reasons for teeth to look yellow, lifeless, and lose their white luster. There are many foods that damage the enamel, the top layer of teeth. Due to the plaque that accumulates on the teeth, they start appearing yellow. Eventually, tooth discoloration occurs, but it can be fixed by taking some measures towards regular cleaning and teeth whitening. However, sometimes the reason for the yellow appearance of the teeth is the hard enamel that accumulates on the teeth, due to which the inner part of the teeth or dentin becomes visible to us. Dentin is usually yellow and bony tissue that lies beneath the enamel. With these 7 easy steps, you can make your teeth white naturally. 1. Practice oil pulling. Oil pulling or oil rinsing is a traditional Indian remedy aimed at improving oral hygiene and flushing out toxins from the body. For this work, a small amount of oil has to be taken in the mouth and swirled around. This removes the bacteria that cause plaque or dirt in the mouth and teeth. These bacteria are also the reason for the yellow appearance of the teeth. Traditionally, Indians have been using sunflower or sesame oil for oil rinses, but you can use any oil. Most the people like coconut oil very much, because its taste and aroma is very good and also brings a lot of health benefits. In addition, coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which is known for its properties to reduce irritation and kill bacteria. Some studies have shown that doing oil pulling daily helps in reducing the bacteria in the mouth. Along with this, the problem of plaque and gingivitis is also relieved. Streptococcus mutans are the primary bacteria that cause plaque and gingivitis in the mouth. One study found that rinsing with sesame oil daily reduced the amount of Streptococcus mutans in saliva in just 1 week. Unfortunately, no scientific study has yet been able to prove that gargling with oil whitens teeth. However, it is a safe habit and can be tried. But many people claim that regular rinsing with oil made their teeth whiter and brighter than before. To make an oil gargle, take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around your teeth. Coconut oil can often be solid at room temperature, so it can also be used lukewarm. The oil can be kept in the mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. There are some other benefits of rinsing with oil as well. It does not leave the effects of acid on the teeth like many other teeth whitening methods. Does not damage enamel and also improves gum health. It is also very safe to use it every day. Method: to rinse with coconut oil and remove bacteria, keep the oil in the mouth for 15 to 20 minutes and swirl it. Daily practice can reduce plaque and make your teeth shiny. 2. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it is a major and popular ingredient of commercial toothpaste available in the market. It is mildly rough, due to which it helps in scrubbing and cleaning the accumulated stains on the surface of the teeth. In addition, baking soda helps create an alkaline or alkaline environment in the mouth, which helps inhibit the growth of bacteria. It is also important to know that this is not a medicine that can make your teeth shine overnight, but you will definitely start seeing the difference in no time. Science has not yet been able to prove that brushing teeth with plain baking soda can make teeth shiny. But many studies definitely show that the use of toothpaste containing baking soda can show the effect of teeth whitening. A study has found that using a toothpaste containing baking soda can get rid of the problem of yellow teeth. They also prove to be far more effective than the normal toothpaste. Apart from this, the higher the amount of baking soda in the toothpaste, the greater the effect. In addition, a review of 5 studies found that toothpaste containing baking soda can remove plaque from teeth more effectively than regular toothpaste. To use this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush the teeth. You can do this work 2 to 3 times a week. While using baking soda for cleaning teeth, it is very important to keep some things in mind. For example, it should not get on your gums. Some people may experience swelling, burning, or prickling of the gums after exposure to baking soda in the gums. Therefore, if such a problem occurs, rinse immediately. Method: using toothpaste containing baking soda can reduce the number of bacteria in the teeth and mouth. Apart from this, the dirt accumulated on the teeth can also be removed. You can also add some baking soda to your toothpaste. 3. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that kills bacteria present in the mouth. Hydrogen peroxide has been used for years to kill germs and wounds. Hydrogen peroxide is also used in the manufacture of many commercial teeth whitening products. Its use in large quantities in the product is considered safe. However, no such study has been done so far that can show that brushing with hydrogen peroxide alone can clean or brighten teeth. But many studies have definitely investigated the effect of toothpaste containing peroxide. One study found that using toothpaste containing baking soda and 1% hydrogen peroxide can make teeth shiny and healthy to a great extent. Another study found that using a toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide twice a day for 6 weeks resulted in 62% better results and brighter teeth. However, many questions are also asked regarding the safe use of hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide is considered safe if used with excessive diluting. On the other hand, if it is used without diluting or overused, it can cause irritation in the gums and increased sensitivity in the teeth as well as the problem of cold hot water. Apart from this, it is also said that it also increases the risk of oral cancer, but this has not been proven yet. To use hydrogen peroxide, mix 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon baking soda. Brush the teeth with an equal quantity of 1 gram. This homemade toothpaste can be used 2 to 3 times a week. There can be a risk of damage to the gums and damage to the tooth enamel if used in excess. Method: hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that can kill bacteria in the mouth. It can be used as a mouthwash by mixing equal amount of water. Or it can be mixed with baking soda and used as a toothpaste. 5. Eat fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is considered very good not only for your body but also for your teeth. However, it is not a substitute for brushing teeth. But even after this, chewing raw fruits and vegetables gives a chance to rub the plaque on the teeth and get rid of it. Strawberries and pineapple are 2 such fruits that are claimed to help whiten teeth. 1. Strawberries. The recipe for whitening teeth with a mixture of strawberries and baking soda is very old. This recipe has been made popular by many celebrities. Talking about the properties found in the things used in this method, malic acid is found in strawberries, which removes the yellowing accumulated on the teeth. Whereas baking soda helps to remove the stains by inflating them from the surface. However, there is no scientific basis for this remedy. Still, strawberries can help whiten teeth. But if you have sores in your teeth or gums, it can penetrate them. A recent study found that a mixture of strawberries and baking soda had little change in the color of teeth, whereas more changes were registered than commercial products. If you want to try this method, then use it only a few times a week. To try this remedy, grind fresh strawberries mixed with baking soda. Brush your teeth with this. But in many studies, it has been found that a mixture of strawberries and baking soda has little effect on the enamel of the teeth, but excessive use can damage the enamel. 2. Pineapple. It has been claimed in some studies that the consumption of pineapple can whiten teeth. One study found that using a toothpaste containing bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, can help clean teeth more quickly than regular toothpaste. However, there is no evidence to claim that the same effect can be produced by consuming pineapple. Summary: teeth whitening properties are found in some fruits. Consuming raw fruits and vegetables on a regular basis helps to remove plaque from the body. Apart from this, the teeth also start looking white and shiny. 6. Prevent tooth stains before they happen. Your teeth turn yellow naturally as you age, but with the help of a few things, the buildup of dirt on the teeth can be prevented. Like: 1. Limit staining foods and beverages. Coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries are known to cause stains on the teeth. But that doesn't mean at all that you shouldn't consume them. Rather, you have to use them sparingly. Apart from this, try to keep them in contact with the teeth at least. If possible, drink these beverages with a straw. Due to this, they do not come in direct contact with the teeth. Apart from this, brushing the teeth after using these foods can also be a solution. Along with this, minimizing the use of tobacco and smoking can also be an easy way to prevent the yellowing of teeth. 2. Limit your sugar intake. If you want white teeth, then use sugar to a minimum. The growth of Streptococcus mutans increases with the consumption of sugar or sugar in high quantities. These are the primary bacteria that cause plaque and gingivitis. That is why whenever you consume sweet foods, do not forget to brush immediately after eating. 3. Get plenty of calcium in your diet. Sometimes the problem of yellowing of teeth occurs when there is an erosion of enamel and the inner surface, i.e. dentin, starts appearing. Dentin is yellow in color. That is why you should take such measures that help in strengthening the enamel present in the teeth and keep the teeth shiny like pearls. All calcium-rich foods such as milk, cheese, and broccoli can prevent damage to the enamel layer on your teeth. If enough calcium is consumed in food, it can help in preventing tooth erosion as well as strengthen bones. Calcium is also very important for improving other body functions. Conclusion. There are many natural methods that can help in whitening teeth. In most methods, the method of removing stains is described by rubbing the top surface of the teeth. However, most dentists resort to chemical treatments to whiten teeth, which are much stronger than natural or home remedies. Along with bleaching the teeth, the doctor can remove the problem of changing the color of the teeth in a more effective way. But excessive use of teeth whitening products can also damage the teeth. Always remember to consult a dentist before ever trying anything new on your teeth. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We also encourage you to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching.